5 powerful ways to use bar charts for data visualization. Bar charts are a cornerstone of data visualization. But are you using them to their full potential? In this video, we'll explore 5 powerful ways to use bar charts to compare, analyze, and present your data effectively. Let's get started. Anirudh has written this LinkedIn newsletter. If you want to read it, check description. First up, comparing sales performance across categories. Imagine you're analyzing sales data for different regions or product categories, like electronics, furniture, or apparel. Bar charts make these comparisons straightforward. By placing values side by side, you can instantly spot which category or region is outperforming the others. Whether you're comparing department sales or product types, bar charts give you the clarity you need. Next, let's talk about tracking trends over time. Are you monitoring monthly revenue or yearly growth? Group bar charts are perfect for this. Bar charts make it easy to see if your performance is improving or declining. Group your data by months, quarters, or years to identify trends and take actionable insights. Third, we have resource allocation. When you need to show how budgets or resources are distributed across projects or teams, horizontal bar charts shine. The horizontal format allows for easy comparison, even with long labels, and highlights the largest or smallest allocations at a glance. Now, let's highlight top performers. Whether it's your best-selling products, top customers, or star employees, bar charts are great for ranking. This clear ranking helps you focus on your biggest contributors to success and celebrate achievements. Finally, bar charts are excellent for measuring progress toward goals. Use clustered or stacked bar charts to compare actual values against targets. These visualizations highlight gaps and help track KPIs or quotas effectively, keeping your team focused on what matters. Before we wrap up, here are some bonus tips for using bar charts effectively. Use horizontal bars for long labels. Choose vertical bars for time series data. Try stacked bars to show parts of a whole. Use clustered bars to compare multiple metrics in the same category. Bar charts are incredibly versatile, and now you know how to use them in powerful ways. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.